What is up, guys? It is Noob Killer Mike here, and we are at STEM Games, and we are doing some coding thing. This is the team. We got the team. We're gonna win. Just kidding. We're not. We're just doing it for the points. It's all good. Right, Brian? Yeah. All right. Time started. We gotta go. Illuminati confirmed. Alright, guys. So I am home now. I'm going to eat my food and drink and watch YouTube if this thing will work. I probably have it on the wrong input, but that's whatever. But I shall see you guys later. Bye.
Wait, can you move it over this way? Is that good?
Yeah. I'll get the height on this one because you're over. The cup's gonna fall. Down. It'll never break. Sarah.
Bingo.
Sarah. And your bread. Oh my god.
Let's just fill a second cup.
Nug? Let's just fill every cup there. Piece of source.
Can you reposition the other one? Stop.
Camera. Get another cup in there. Fill it up. Shut up. Fill up the cup and then put the cup on. Shut up. Okay, Sills. Can I fill the cup? Go, look at the nails on the shift.
It's gonna break.
Look at that. That's minus points for time. Really is no. Do you have to count the nails? Move it. I was gonna say.
I don't want to touch it, but I want to move it. I'm afraid. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it.
I know this so many times.
It's taking too long. I also don't want the paper in there.
I still have
Alright, put another cup in.
Oh god.
3.
It's getting there, guys.
Damn it, Chris.
They're gonna go everywhere. Can we put a bucket? Well, that's what we have.
It's going. It's done though.
So
353.
353.
What you guys just saw was day 2 of STEM Games. Basically, we had to build a bridge out of straws and tape, and we had to hold a cup and we had to fill it with like little tiny nails. We ended up filling, what was it, 2 cups, and then it started to bend, so we were like, we don't, so we just ended up taking them off. We weighed them, and altogether we held 809.1 grams, so that, I don't know how they're scoring anything, or if they're even scoring anything and putting people into different places, but I thought we did a pretty good job, considering we have to build it in a half an hour, but headed off to lifting now, so I will see you guys later. Bye. Back home, I'm gonna have some cereal and my protein shake, and then I will be off to bed. Daring went to go do his bench and he hit his head on the wall, so that was kind of funny. But that shall be for another day. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Can we vlog?
Just finished up STEM Games.
You're
And
stupid.
it was bad. Math was horrible. We literally just guessed on everything.
Puzzle stuff, right?
Yeah. We literally just guessed on the majority of the stuff, so that's cool.
I
But
really gave Dan one answer. He's like, what's this thing called that's on the front page?
it's all good. Luke.
One of the questions. And I was like, oh, it's an abacus.
It's okay, Luke. Luke, you need to see a doctor.
I've been seeing you all day today.
So, Sarah just left, and we basically literally, we did our bio homework, and then we played Mortal Kombat for a very, very long time. Now I have lifting pretty soon, so I will see you guys then.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself
So I am back home from workouts, got my food, and I have to finish up a little bit of homework. Then I'm good. I'm free to do whatever I want, which is amazing. But that'll pretty much be it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. What are you doing?
Watch this.
No.
It's copyright.
Copyright. I'm gonna get copyright. Shut the song off. Shut it off. Shut it off. Shut. There you go. Good job. It really wasn't that funny. It really wasn't that funny. But yes, after school, Sarah's over. We're chilling. Colin's chilling here too, and we're watching Breaking Bad.
I'm
Yeah.
not breaking anything.
She's eating Oreos. You're so fat. That's abuse. Oh no, it stings.
Bye.
So, Sarah left, and now I am ready and headed off to the gym. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
If I'm slide. See, I eat a lot of food, but my stomach's like a black hole.
He eats pretty well.
It's like somebody stretched you
But
just
you know
since
why?
Michael's birth, since Christmas.
He eats oranges. He eats blackberries. He eats
Josh, where you going?
He eats Jello. He eats like.
Where you going?
I don't like
Back to grandma?
Get it out of me.
Back to grandma?
Get it out of my face.
Say hi.
Say hi. Wave. Say hi. Wave. Luana petting me in the back.
So, what's up, guys? What you guys just saw was my little cousin, Josh. He came over with my aunt for a little bit. We hung out. I couldn't really record much at lifting, just for the fact that we did speed and agility, and there's not much time to mess around on those days. So I just didn't I didn't vlog anything. But tomorrow I am staying all day at school. I have to set up for drama club, and I have to film for drama club, so I'm gonna be there all day. So hopefully that should be fun. We're supposed to be playing a bunch of games and whatnot, so I'll get a bunch of shots of that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Alright, we back at it again with the word of the day.
Charlie.
Oh, from my clit.
Butt plug.
Butt plug, yeah,
That's what it's called. Butt plug.
Or anal beads.
Something you
Word of
plug
the
your
day is
butt
butt
with.
plug, something that Alan uses on the daily.
He has
I
it in
use
his
that
bag.
every day. I really recommend it. Purple's a nice color. Yeah, go with him.
Vape life.
Stay fly, because I'm a hell of a guy.
Belong, yeah, once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker.
Club squad is rolling deep. AV Club squad. AV Club squad.
I'm an intern.
Mr. Moran, AV Club. Secret look at the studio. She's holding me. Don't hold me. Don't hold me.
Been smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
Superstar. Okay, so me and Austin are back from the drama club thing, and Austin's sleeping over, Colin's being loud and annoying, and what else is new?
Yeah, you are.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
This is fun.
Bye. Alright guys, so it is Saturday. It's around 12. Me and Austin are sitting here watching TV, just hanging out. It is hot. It was really hot last night, so that kind of sucked. But see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so it is around like 3. Austin has left. I just finished up some homework, and my tongue, for whatever reason, is bleeding. Like right there. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but that's whatever. I have to get dressed because me, Colin, my mom and my dad are headed out to dinner in a bit, so I need to like go. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Traveled around the world and we're still rolling. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother.
Alright guys, so I'm here in Best Buy after going to dinner. I'm thinking of picking up another one of these Gorilla Pods just for the fact that this one has a little bit of an issue with holding the camera. So if I were to tilt it back a little, you guys are going to fall backwards, and that's not good. So I think I'm going to go price match this and buy it, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so we have the second Gorilla Pod. I actually, at Best Buy, it's actually $20, but I found it on Amazon again, and we price matched it for, it was something like $11.26. It's already been opened, so Best Buy went ahead and put their little Best Buy inspected thing on it. I really don't want to ruin this box, so I'm just going to cut it, even though I kind of already ruined it and everything's going really loud. Alright, so basically, let me show you. It's the same exact thing as the one I have here, except for this one, if you can see, is this only has one and this has two, because I broke this part down in Florida, so that sucks. And for some reason these grips feel a lot different, maybe because I've used these more. I don't know, but obviously I'm going to put this kind of cell phone holder thing on it, just so that way I can use it and whatnot. But I want to thank you guys for watching today. Really boring day. I tried doing a little bit of a cool getting ready part to the vlog.
Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Willie. Stop it. Stop it.
Get excited.
I'm not even trying at this point, like. That's your drone. Went over the neighbor's fence. Where is it? It's right there. You can see it. See it? Right there. So close. I tried flying it, just fell on the thing. Yeah, it's upside down. You're not getting it. I gotta go get it. Alright, well, no one's home, so I'm just gonna go grab it. Hopefully, we'll get shot on sight. Drone acquired. Hopefully they don't get mad. I just lost my drone, man. I just wanted it back. I swear. Alright guys, so Sarah is over, and I look like a douchebag because I'm wearing a tank top, but it was hot. So, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So, thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.